Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to see the most interesting topic in JavaScript, that is called array. Before start the session, I will give you a simple example for array. If you are having a 5 walls and 5 small boxes and one big boxes, and you need to put those balls in a box, which option you will choose? Will you choose big box or a small box? If you choose big one means it will automatically reduce your time and effort, and you can store multiple balls in one box. So the same concept is called array in JavaScript. In programming, everything is called as a data, right? So if you are going to store one data in one variables, and also you can store more than one multiple data in one variable, that process you can call arrays. And also object we can use to store multiple data. Now we are going to see how to implement the arrays and what's the syntax for that. Okay, here I'm in Sublime Text Editor. I have one simple index.html file. There I have given few text, just arrays in JavaScript and background image. That's it. And I have created one simple JS file. We are going to see the syntax here. Okay, first I'm going to create a let keyword with array 1. I'm giving a name as array1 and new array of. This is a constructor type array. So I have given new array of. You can give directly the value inside that brackets. So I'm giving 1, 3 and 400. Let's print this array. See, you can see the array. Most important thing is array is indexing property. Actually 0 and 0 is the one value stored in index 0 and 3 is stored in 1 and 400 is stored in index 2. So the total length is 3, you can see, right? And in JavaScript you can add string in this array and also boolean. Is it possible? Yes. In JavaScript it accepts all the data types in one single array. But in Java we can't do it because it will create array for particular data types. This is the one way to create an array, and let's do it another way. Array2 equal to, directly you can give the array. This is the array format, right? You can give the direct format square bracket and give the values. Undefined also the data type in JavaScript, so I'm giving the same. Let's print this array2 here. Here you can see the result. So 0, 1, 2, 3, the length is 4, right? That's it. And in some situation you have to add data after initialization, right? So at the time you can use few methods like array1 dot push off. I'm going to add 300 here. See, the first array one, it contains 5 elements, and second it's printing with 300, which I have pushed this value. Like this, we can add directly for indexing. So we know that is 5 length, so that means 4 indexing. So we are going to add another one, 5, and I'm giving the 201 value here. See, this one is added here. And also you can replace the values for particular index. So I'm going to replace the value for first index. So you can see the first index is the second one, right? So it gets replaced. That's it. And you don't want the 201 value and always it's a lost value, right? So I have to remove the last value of this array. You can use the default method array1.popoff. Let's see the result. So now it gets removed. You can see the difference, which is print added. So I have added here. After the line, I have popped this element. Then I have print this line. So now you can see the data, the array will showing without 201, right? So that's it. We have printed and we have added data now. So let's see how to convert this array to string. So you can use dot to string of method to convert this array as a string. So it gets changed. It gets the result in a string format. Okay. Now I have to print each and every data in an array. You can use for loop for that. The same syntax, I is equal to 0, then I less than. You can use property array1 dot length to find the total length of this array. Then I am going to print that array. See, we can see the single values, each and every values here. So we can use another for loop for printing these values. So same thing, you don't need this property at all. Just initialize that I and then give an int keyword, then array1. That's it. Let's see the result. The same thing. It's repeated right again. That's the same thing. And that's it for array. We can create arrays in a different ways and print the arrays in a different ways. And the most important thing is the difference between arrays and object is array is indexing, number indexing, and object is naming indexing. We saw, right, this is coming as a 0 1 2 3, but object will comes like a name. Let object 1 equal to new object of, let me give a value for this. So we will give a value like name Jilra and number equal to 90. So let's print this object. See the result. In this array you can see 0 1 2 3 4 indexing, and in object you can see the naming, so name and number which I have given for this object. That's it. This is the main difference between object and arrays. I hope this video is very useful to you. Thanks for watching. If you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click bell icon.